My people, I greet you now. Just to come again. Nigerian advisor. I don't talk am before. Say anything when I see when not good, I must talk am. And anything when I see when it good, I go still talk am. We no go rest. People like us no go rest until this country better. We no go rest. We go continue to dey talk until the bad people go stop to dey do bad for this country, our country, Nigeria. Inside this election when they do on the 19th of September 2020, now some people come see dey make threat say, man, they go isolate Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike. Really, they come still true isolate am the way they threaten. So the thing come to my notice. I still watch the video when he talk and say he go isolate, and he come still really isolate am. But I won't let some people when they do bad for this country. Una never live bad. Bad thing. All these are our wicked politicians, bad politicians. Bad thing no let una live. Una let this country go forward well. See this country now, they try to go forward, now they drag the country back. The country they try to go forward, now they drag the country back. Because of una selfish interest, because of bad things una sabi. Una no want make the country go forward. Una they enjoy all the money when they the country. They enjoy everything. The masses, the people dey street when they suffer. People dey street they suffer. People to eat 2 times meal for one day they hard. No talk about 3 times. But still, una say make una just dey spoil the country they go. I say make I still dey advise my people. Governor Ganduje of Kano State. Say make I advise you, make you leave all those bad things wey you dey do. Leave all those bad things wey you dey do. If not, your political career go die the way Oshiomhole want to die. If they tell Edo people say Oshiomhole career go die like this, nobody go believe. From the beginning, Edo people like Oshiomhole before, but now say I can't be now. So other governors for other states or other godfathers suppose learn from wetin happen to Edo State. I dey watch some videos today. People from Lagos State come they talk say when they see say people they say Edo no be like no fit be like Lagos. Edo no fit be like Lagos, or Edo no be Lagos. They say they come dey vex. Say why do they talk say Edo no be Lagos? They say Lagosians dem come dey vex. Say why people go dey talk say Edo no be Lagos? But after this election, they say they can't see the reason why Edo, the people they talk say Edo no be Lagos. They can't they encourage Edo people. They congratulate them. Say what did they do? They try. Say they don't see the reason why people they talk say Edo no be Lagos. So now then talk say then Lagosians go still learn from what happen for Edo State. So I want to advise all citizens of different states of Nigeria. Make them learn from what happen for Edo State. Make it still happen from their state. Any bad politician now see say, any godfather, you know, they see say, if they want to take over our country, you know, drop your political career down. That's why I say, my people, I go continue to talk, but for next week, I go talk good things. I go interview good people, many politicians. If possible, I will interview the governor of Edo State. I go interview my great friend, Commissioner of Information, FST Ward, by next week. So I advise many of our citizens, and apart from Nigerian citizens worldwide, may they watch me on YouTube. Check me on Facebook. You'll see my YouTube there. Watch my video on YouTube. I greet everybody.